Hi friends, welcome to JK Creative Minds, and in today's class we are going to see class 10 Biology Life Processes chapter 6. Let's get into the lesson. Life processes. Many of them know life processes, but many of them don't know what do you mean by life processes. Let us see. The processes that are undertaken by our body for the maintenance of the body is called life processes, and the maintenance functions of living organisms must go on even when they are not doing anything particularly. Since these maintenance processes are needed to prevent damage and breakdown, energy also needed for them. So this energy comes from either outside of the body or from inside the body. And the life processes depends on mainly five types. Those are nutrition, digestion, respiration, transpiration, and excretion. And let's get into nutrition. Mode of nutrition. Guys, we are going to see only the nutrition in this class, and let me post or upload other videos, that is the digestion, respiration, transpiration, and excretion, in upcoming videos. First, nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition: autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic means the mode of nutrition in which the organisms make their own food by themselves, that is, plants. And in heterotrophic, the mode of nutrition in which the organisms depends on other organisms for their food or nutrition, that is, example, human beings, animals, and etc. In depth about autotrophic. Plants are the best example for autotrophic. Example, photosynthesis. Plants prepare their own food by the process photosynthesis, and the formula of photosynthesis is C6H6 gives C6 plus H12 plus O6 plus 6CO2. And the overall processes that takes place in photosynthesis is absorption, conversion, and reduction. Absorption means the light energy is absorbed, and conversion means the light energy is converted to chloroplast, that is the splitting of H2O molecules, and reductions means carbon dioxide to glucose. And next, heterotrophic. There are four types of heterotrophic nutrition: holozoic, parasitic, saprophytic, and symbionts. Holozoic means these type of organisms take food in the form of complex, and they'll digest these foods inside their body. Example, amoeba, humans, and etc. Mainly mammals. And parasitic. The parasitic are the organisms that take the nutrients from the living organisms. Example, liver fluke, ascaris, leeches, virus, etc. And next is saprophytic. Saprophytic, this type of organisms feed on dead and decaying organisms or dead and decaying matters. Symbionts are the organisms. Example, best example for symbionts is lichens. And the symbionts, these organisms will be in tubular substances. And friends, thank you for watching my video, and if you like the video, please share it and subscribe it.